All right, our fluency. During snack time at preschool, the teacher divided 3/5 of a gallon of milk evenly between 2 students. How much milk did each student get? So guess what we're going to do? We're going to divide. So we have 3/5, and she's dividing it into 2 students. We can make that 2 into a fraction by putting it over 1. Now we can do our Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. Keep, change, flip. First fraction we're going to keep as 3/5. Second part, we're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign because the opposite of division is multiplication. And thirdly, we are going to flip that last fraction, and it will be 1/2 instead of 2 out of 1. Now we can multiply straight across. So 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. 5 times 2 is going to give us 10. And we cannot simplify that, so our answer is going to be 3/10, and you can put of a gallon. 3/10 of a gallon for each student. And that is it for the fluency. Great job!